So let's start. So first, how to create this characters? We're creating some with the expression. Okay. So make it first like this circle. Okay. So today's class is very fun. Okay, we're making this uh, animation movie called Despicable. Okay, Despicable Me 3. So we are creating some character from this movie, and it is I create some very famous character in this movie. Okay. So this character's nose is very interesting. Like this. Like this. I can create here some more one. Eyes. Okay. Now this very sharp. How to create that use some headphone kind of like this. Okay, show me thing. Like this. So we are okay, and we're creating this body like this oval.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Wow, that's great, Gandhiji. Yeah, this is nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, very nice. So we are making this. Okay. This is cloth. I make the cloth like this. Okay. So I can make the characters. Not full body. I can create some few features. Okay, so that was the sketching practice. Okay. What? হ্যাঁ দুধুরি খাবে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে I just make it here.
What are you using?
I'm using just charcoal dust over here.
No, sir. What is
Yeah, I show you first. I want to make a little lighter than this. Okay. So I can just erase in this part. I make some little item set I show in this drawing. How to make the drawing as well, how to create the light and set, little light and set. Little light and sets I can apply with. Okay, you can see I'm apply over here. This is light and shades. But it's not, it's too depth. Okay, it is not, it's too much dark depth. First tone dark and second tone dark. That's it. Little second tone. Okay. See, this is okay. I just make it a little steady. Okay, this is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, taking time, and make it the sketching. This is sketching, not study, but little bit of second tone and third tone I put over here. Okay, like this. Okay. चलो first drawing is this. Yes बेटा. यही तो आज बाय. This is eyes. Okay. So you can make something like this. Okay, getting idea? Okay. Play. Done? Yeah, sure. Finish. Yeah. This is eyes. The eyes is like I make it little bigger. This is the eyes. Okay. This is eyes is very interesting, and nose is like this. It's a long nose. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is very simple. The shapes. This is cartoon forms actually, so we are making this. Like this line. This is this. Like this. Like this. Like this. This is the incredible that movie. We are using this. Done. Finish, all of you. Can I go ahead the next time? We are making some few more sketching, like this kind of design. জল দিয়ে গুলিয়ে দাও
জল দিয়ে দিয়েছি
আর দুধের মতন করে
আবার জল দিতে
ওকে ঘোরাও ঘুরিয়ে ছাদের মধ্যে একটু আহা
একটু খেয়ে টেস্ট অব্দি করছে না নিয়ে যেতে নিয়ে আছে কিচেনে কে দেখে
Yeah, this is I make some few this same movie's few character. I like a doodling. You can tell. I make add something character with this. Basically, this is a movie of Minion. No, this is uh, so you can just add something character here and there. Okay. Fine. So you can go ahead and make this is good.